Happiness is very hard to get in the external world. This is because once you find something that will make you happy, happiness never happens if you cannot get it. Or the happiness fades once the thing is out of sight or wears out. Therefore, a trick to maintain a happy mind is to be content with what you already have. If your happiness is dependent on things you already have, you can never be unhappy about not having them. Let's try this in today's session. So when you are ready, gently close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths. Gently bring your mind to the center. As you rest your mind at the center, recall the things you have in life that you are grateful for and are happy about. You have your life, your health, your limbs, a roof over your head, electricity, running water, food in your fridge, family, friends, personal freedom, the spare time to work on your mind and practice meditation, access to modern conveniences such as the device you are using right now. And even if you don't have some of these things, you still have other things, many of which people around the world don't have. So, look for the positives in your life and be grateful for them. You don't need anything else in your life to be happy. What you have right now is already great. Where you are right now is right where you need to be. Just breathe in, breathe out, enjoying what you already have in life. Even breathing is something to be happy about. Because since you are able to breathe, you are able to continue to live and enjoy all these positive things in your life. Now, let us continue in silence. Now, let us take in one more deep breath and slowly and gently coming back. You don't need to rush. You don't need to completely come out yet. Notice how you feel right now that we have finished our meditation. Hope you are feeling more calm, more happy, and more content. Try to keep this feeling with you throughout your day. Always being content and grateful for what you already have in life.